Good morning. My name is Jeannie Standridge. I'm here today to talk to you about Resale 101 and building your brand. I have a booth at Old Town Mall in Batesville on Main Street, and I have been doing that for about a year and a half. So we're going to jump right on into this because we're short on time, and let's get started. Why did you choose resale? There could be numerous reasons why we choose resale. The biggest one on the list would be to make money. Okay, we would make money. Some of us have wanted to downsize our collections. There's also a lot of exercise involved in resale, getting out in the community and socializing with others, going to auctions, Goodwills, flea markets, yard sales. There can be all kinds of events going on where you are able to source your merchandise. For me, I love the thrill of the hunt. That's one of the things I love to do. I love to find treasure. I love to find things that I can flip, resell, and repurpose, and somebody can find new enjoyment in that item. And also, it could just be in your genetics. Some people have just been born and raised in that business, and that is what they do, and that is what they love. Okay, so let's move on to some things that help you be successful in your booth. Things that you want to make sure that you do is you want to make sure that you clean your merchandise, that you take off whatever tags that was on that merchandise when you purchased it, because you're going to want it clean and re-tagged. You want to be honest. You want to disclose any damage that might be on that item when you re-tag the item. That builds your brand if you're honest. Also, research prices and trends. Be sure that you price your items in an area that gives kind of your customer a deal, but also makes you money at the same time. So the do nots. Do not hide damage to make a sale. That is not honest, and you will lose customers doing that. Do not scrub off the patina when you're cleaning it. Leave the patina. If someone wants to repaint or redo an item, let them do that, because a lot of people like the patina. Don't copy other vendors. That can cause a lot of problems within a organization of people, vendors within a booth. Can cause a lot of problems. So don't copy other vendors. Don't tell everyone your thrifting sources, because if you tell everyone your thrifting sources, everyone's going to show up at the same thrifting sources, and you're going to lose those sources as a good place to get your merchandise. Don't clutter the walkway in your booth. Make sure it is safe for the customers to move around in there and for it to be enjoyable for them. Nobody wants to be stumbling around on dirty merchandise. So clean walkway, pathway where it's safe to walk around. Avoid resale for others on commission. That generally doesn't end well. You have so much space in your booth to place your items, and I have just seen where many people have sold something for someone on commission, and it either ended up ending a friendship, or there was squabbles or troubles with that. So try to avoid that if at all possible. Don't undercut other vendors. Try to be pretty close. Walk around your mall, see kind of what things are going for. Look on eBay, kind of see what things are going for, what you paid for it, and price it accordingly for your customers and for yourself to still make money. So do not undercut other vendors. So what are some things that can help us when we commit to our success? When we commit to our success, we're going to have to be willing to commit our time. It takes a lot of time in the resale business. You have your research. You have where you're going to get your merch. You have to source your merchandise. Then you have to bring it home, clean it, re-tag it, research pricing it, and then bring it to your booth and keep your booth well and organized. So and clean also. So, it's a lot of work. You have to spend money to make money. You can't expect to make money if you don't spend money to put items into your booth. Another thing is to keep your booth stocked and well cleaned. You will have repeat customers if you follow this. Stocked and well cleaned. Rearrange your merchandise frequently. When someone goes into your booth, because we have a lot of repeat customers. So if you have someone go into your booth, and they can only take in so much. Our eyesight is only going to take in so much within that booth. So if you rearrange frequently for those repeat customers, they're going to see things that they may not have seen the last time that they were in that booth. So rearrange frequently, make it new, make it fresh, especially for the repeat customers, and you will see that your sales will increase when you rearrange. Take advice from other seasoned resellers. I took advice from 2 ladies at the very beginning when I started to resell, and it has helped me tremendously. I'm a person that really does not like to be told what I need to do. That is something I am working on, and had I not taken their advice, I do not believe I would have been as successful as I am today with my booth. And be willing to negotiate. Be willing to negotiate prices. Set your prices to where you have a little wiggle room if someone asks you to come down on that price. People love to get a good deal, just like I love to get a good deal. So it's nice to pass that on to our customers, and that will give a good feeling between the seller and the customer. And also just remember to engage with your customers. If you're in your booth and you're working in there and people are coming through, welcome them in. Say, yes, I'm restocking my booth, but go ahead and welcome them in. If you're running a sale, tell them about the sale you're running. They pick up an item and they ask you a question, tell them about that item. Be honest about that item. You will build rapport with your customers, and this will have repeat customers that come back to your booth time and time again. And the most important thing is to just enjoy yourself. This is a fun business. It's a fun business. You can make friends. You can get out in the community. You can, make videos of your things and put it on Facebook or whatever social media you think. Just have a good time with it. Know that whatever you put into it is what you're going to get out of it. So thank you for watching today. I wish you all the success in your life. I wish you reselling 101, that you do great and you keep going. All right, until next time in my next video. See you soon.